Ventress.
The pleasure's all mine, my dear Obi-Wan. I've missed you.
Star Wars Legion Asajj Ventress by Atomic Mass Games has come out now. Let's take a look at it. Pretty cool looking model. Now you will fall, as all Jedi must. The contents contain a 1 plastic miniature, 1 unit card, 4 command cards, 1 token sheet, and 1 insert sheet. Contains unpainted plastic miniatures, obviously that require assembly. Taken as a young child from her home with the Night Sisters of Dathomir, Asajj Ventress is the ultimate survivor. Strong with the dark side of the Force, Ventress is a talented warrior who served as an apprentice to Count Dooku himself. She wields 2 curved lightsabers in a fighting style known as Jarkai, and her combat prowess makes her a challenging foe to both Jedi Knights, such as Obi-Wan Kenobi and Anakin Skywalker, as well as the Separatist General Grievous. Ventress's stealth abilities, as well as her gift of deception, make her an ideal assassin. We have the instructions and poster. Pretty cool. Our QR code for the instructions and credits. We got 1 gray base. Her sprue, very simple. Star Wars Legion 108. Both lightsabers, front torso, the head, legs, and the back. Tokens and cards are next. We have our tokens, 5 dodge, 6 health, 3 suppression, and her command token, operative. Command cards, the Jedi shall fall. Pretty cool art there. Asajj Ventress gains Jedi Hunter, while Asajj Ventress performs an attack. During the roll attack dice step, before rolling dice, she may gain up to 4 suppression tokens. She gains 1 dodge token for each suppression token gained in this way. I am Fear. When Asajj Ventress begins her activation, she recovers. At the end of Asajj Ventress's activation, she may perform an attack using the following weapon. The Sith will rule. When building a command hand, treat this card as though it has 2 pips. Count Dooku gains an aim token and a dodge token. After Count Dooku activates, if Asajj Ventress does not have a face-down order token, she activates. After she activates, if she has a face-up order token, flip it face down. If she does not have an order token, assign her the face-down operative order token. Yes, my master. You must divulge this card. It stays in play. Divulge, deploy unit step, permanent. Asajj Ventress gains bounty and reinforcements. Or divulge, deploy unit step, permanent. Asajj Ventress gains demoralize 1, Makashi Mastery, and outmaneuver. And the unit card. Jump 2, deflect, dodge 1 for independent, indomitable, immune to pierce, Jarkai mastery, and relentless. And her lightsabers. Impact 2, pierce 2, 5 health, 2 courage. The back card art, just like the poster. Taken as a young child from her home with the Night Sisters of Dathomir, Ventress is a talented warrior who serves as apprentice to Count Dooku himself. Separatist Assassin. After putting the model together and the basing, I used this fine basalt from Woodland Scenics after putting on some of this cork on the base. The miniature was pretty easy to put together. There are no other options for the miniature, so this is the only configuration that you can do. You can kind of move the arms a little bit if you want the lightsabers to be parallel. I kind of wanted to offset them a little bit. However, the legs, torso, this is the configuration it's going to be in. Gonna go prime it and paint, and I'll put that video up later, but just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you the model for all of those Separatist players out there. All right, thanks so much. Have a good day.